friends, welcome back to Mom's Greek Kitchen. Kalos orisate. This is a bit of an apology and an update. It's been a long time since I've actually uploaded a video, and I apologize for that. But I've had some pretty good reasons. Unfortunately, Mom passed away at the end of May. So the fire sort of went out from under me to continue creating her recipes. It was a little too hard. But I'm going to be back, and I will be making more videos soon and uploading them. The holiday season is coming up, so I've decided to do a series of the rest of Mom's cookies and pastries that she does or used to do for Christmas and the holidays. Also, I got married in the time that I've been away, so that also took some of the focus out from under me. But I'm back. I hope you enjoy the upcoming videos, and if you haven't yet, please subscribe and let your friends know if they're interested in Greek cooking and stuff. And I hope to see you soon. Take care, and bye bye for now.